Hi, my name is Sabrina Cedillos and I will be discussing Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's is a disease of the brain that causes problems with memory, thinking, and behavior. It is the most common form of dementia that is not a normal part of aging. Can you guess how many Americans battle with this disease? If you guessed 5 million, you are correct. Symptoms of Alzheimer's usually begin at the microscopic level before physical signs are shown. Here are some of the most common physical symptoms: loss of memory, mood swings, loss of cognitive abilities, difficulty completing familiar tasks, confusion, and withdrawal. Some of the main causes are atrophy of gyri folds in the cerebral cortex, neurofibrillary tangles and senile plaques, and formation of B-amyloid protein from breakdown product of plasma. Alzheimer's disease leads to nerve cell death, also known as atrophy of the gyri, which causes loss of brain mass. Over time, the brain shrinks dramatically, affecting nearly all its functions. In addition, the brain of individuals with Alzheimer's has an abundance of plaques and tangles. Plaques are abnormal clusters of protein fragments called beta amyloid that build up in the spaces between nerve cells, as you can see in the left figure. Dead and dying nerve cells contain tangles, which can be seen in the right figure. Tangles are made up of twisted fibers of another protein called tau. When tau collapses into these twisted strands, it causes the cells to disintegrate, inhibiting nutrients and essentially killing them. Alzheimer's disease progresses slowly in 3 stages. In the early stage, a person may function independently. However, they may feel as if they are having memory lapses. The middle stage is typically the longest, and damage to nerve cells makes it very difficult to express thought and perform routine tasks. Finally, in the late stage, people begin to lose their ability to control movement and personality, carry a conversation, and respond to the environment. To determine whether a patient has Alzheimer's or not, physicians assess medical history, mood, brain imaging, and multiple exams and tests. There are many risk factors for Alzheimer's disease. Those who are 65 and older are at a higher risk. Family history is also another risk factor. Researchers have found several genes that increase the risk of Alzheimer's, specifically APOE4. In addition, Latinos and African Americans are also at a higher risk. Other risk factors include head injury and heart health connections. There is no cure for Alzheimer's. However, there are treatments to improve symptoms. Cholinesterase inhibitors have the ability to prevent the breakdown of acetylcholine, as well as memantine, which works by regulating the activity of glutamate. Pinpointing triggered behaviors is often the best approach. Triggers include new caregivers, different living arrangements, admission to a hospital, presence of a house guest, or being asked to bathe or change clothes. Scientists are constantly working to advance our understanding of Alzheimer's. Researchers have developed several ways to clear beta amyloid from the brain and prevent it from clumping together into plaques. They have also found ways to target beta secretase. Finally, a vaccine called AADVAC1 is being researched as it stimulates the body's immune response to attack abnormal tau proteins. As stated before, despite the inability to find a cure for Alzheimer's, there is a hope for the future. The Alzheimer's Association is the world's largest nonprofit funder of Alzheimer's research. Today, Alzheimer's is at the forefront of biomedical research, with 90% of what we know being discovered in the last 20 years. Thank you for watching my presentation. If you would like to learn how you can make a difference, please visit alz.org.